Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. First, let us review the levels given for May 6 and then we will see the levels for May 7. So for May 6, we have given the levels like this. It's long above 9322 and short below 9185. Let's see how the Nifty behaved according to these levels. Now this is the daily chart. If you see, this is the 5-minute chart. You can see the Nifty opened at 9226. Okay, again at the opening it has cut our levels 9185, sell below 9185, and then it has made a low of 9117, which is near to our target. But again, as per our rule, we need to see if the level is cut in the opening of the market, then we need to wait till the 15-minute candle to form. Now let's see how the 15-minute candle formed. So if you see here, the first 15-minute candle is a very big candle and the low is somewhere around 9135. Now we should take the trade when the low is broken downwards. Now if you see the next candle, so we will see when the level is cut, when the low of 9135 is cut. So let's go back to 5-minute candle. Okay, so this is the first 5-minute candle, second and third. So the low is somewhere here. Now if you see the low is around 9135 and our target is 9116, which means it is not a very good trade because we don't have, considering the risk, it's not a very good reward. But if you are super fast, you can just get into the trade and then get a profit of 20 points. But it is very difficult. I would suggest to skip this trade. Now after that, what happened? See what happened. The Nifty started going higher and now exactly it has made a top somewhere to near to our buy level. Okay, so this is the first candle which has gone above 9322, our buy level, but did not close it, so there is no trade over here. We will wait and then we will see. Okay, this is the first candle which got closed above our buy level. So as per our rule, we will wait for this 5-minute candle to form and then the next candle, if it cuts the high of this candle, then we will take a trade. So as per the rule, we would have taken a trade here, a buy trade. But then see what happened. It has started going down and let's see what was our stop loss. The stop loss was around 9203. Okay, it did not come back to 9203 until the 235 candle. But one thing I want to tell you friends, we need to see the chart structure over here. See, the price got rejected here, it has come down, it again came to our buy level, again the price got rejected over here, and again it has come down. The third time also the price got rejected here. So this is an indication for us traders, we need to get out of here at this point. Okay, yeah, because it is a 3-time high. Third time also the price got rejected, so to minimize our loss, we should have got out of the trade over here. Okay, so what we need to understand is the market will give us enough opportunities to get out of the trade. So we need to see the chart structure, we need to minimize our loss. That is should be our aim. And when the third time also the price got rejected near to our buy level, then we should take a decision that to get out of the trade as early as possible. Okay, and see what happened. It has drifted down and then triggered our stop loss. Okay, so this is what we need to make a note of it. We need to see the chart structure. We need to see what is happening in the during the daytime. Okay, now let's see. So it's not a very good day on May 6th. Now let's see the levels for May 7. Okay, let's don't bother about this review. We are looking for the levels for May 7. So we should go long above 9275 with a stop loss of 9230. Targets are 9340, 9470 and 9660. Short below 9225, stop loss 9270. Targets are 9145, 9020 and 8920. I have given the rules over here. Please have a look at these. It's very important. We have clearly mentioned if the buy level is cut in the first 15 minutes, what needs to be done. If the sell level is cut in the first 15 minutes of market opening, what needs to be done. Okay, please have a look at these, understand and take the trade accordingly. Thank you very much.